Honda has issued a massive recall impacting hundreds of thousands of Civic models, and the root cause is, you guessed it, a mix-up with a fence in Italy. The automaker warned that 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels that were sold as accessories could detach from the vehicle due to a manufacturing error. As the company points out, having the wheels fly off your car can result in, quote, a loss of control, increasing the risk of a crash or injury. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, the issue can be traced back to a supplier's factory in Italy. A separation fence that was being used to keep the finished from unfinished products from mixing together was removed during the installation of new equipment. That resulted in some unfinished products being mistakenly placed in the finished product storage area and then shipped without completing the seat, press fittings, and final inspection process. Honda said that as of late last month, there are no warranty claims or reports of injuries, and the factory that had trouble with the fence shut down in 2023. Nevertheless, the automaker is asking consumers to bring potentially impacted vehicles into authorized dealers for inspection and repairs. The recall impacts more than 400,000 Civic vehicles from 2016 to 2021, but Honda estimates that fewer than 0.1% of those vehicles are impacted. Still, if your Civic happens to be in that small percentage, taking it in is better than finding out the hard way. I'm David Manti. This is Manufacturing Now.